Growing kids are often hungry.
Kids are going to get the cravings, and if they don't have something nutritious available, they're just going to go to the snack shack or the vending machine and likely choose something that's maybe not the most nutritious.
And between sports, clubs, and extracurriculars, a boost of energy is just what they need.
Packing them that additional snack to kind of fuel their after-school activity is going to be important.
But Lee Health clinical dietitian Noel Konken says not all snacks are created equal.
A good snack means that it has a combination of different food groups. So whether we have slices of cheese with whole grain crackers, or we're doing an apple and we slice it and throw some peanut butter on there, a nice well-balanced snack is also going to give you longer lasting fuel.
You can feel fuller on fewer calories by choosing whole foods high in water and fiber.
Choosing a nice fresh fruit as opposed to doing maybe a salty snack. So always thinking things in the purest form, and that's going to be a more nutritious lunch option.
If you want your kids to eat healthy, it's important to model that behavior and eat it yourself. Also, remind your kids that their taste buds change as they age.
Sometimes it could take a kid multiple different exposures or tries of one food before they actually start to accept that flavor.
If your kids are picky eaters, give them some say in choosing their snacks. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.